And there's still some time to prepare for emergencies.
KTLA's Gail Anderson has some valuable tips from a company in Van Nuys that specializes in handling all kinds of disasters.
We're in Van Nuys. Have you been here yet? SOS Survival Products. We're here with Jeff Edelstein. I'm calling him Mr. Survival because we've talked with you about earthquakes, fires, not just El Niño.
Disasters happen. It's part of California. Earthquakes, fires, floods, it doesn't matter. They're going to happen. So you have to prepare for them before they happen. Yeah, it's amazing. Once it starts raining, people think it's a popular item. They're flying off the shelves. People want to stay dry when they're out in the rain. So this is an important thing, whether it's for an individual or for a business. They have to be able to keep dry. It meets highway standards for reflectiveness. So actually, this is what, say, a law enforcement person or somebody in a truck would use. So it is much safer having something that's visible. That's a floor squeegee. So you'd actually, like you'd use on a window, but this would push a large amount of water off of a floor surface. So if your driveway has a lot of water, or garage, or inside the house, use that to push the water out. Most people don't think about having a pump, but if they have a swimming pool or a large body of water, this will pump out 1,800 gallons per hour.
Whoa! That little pump.
Yeah, so it's something that's realistic that you can actually empty out a pool if it's overflowing. This one works as a flashlight, a lantern, and then if you're in your car, and your car breaks down, you have flashers to get people's attention. And it has a cell phone charger on it too. About every other month, we teach a class on emergency preparedness. We sell the supplies, but my goal is if you don't know what to do with the supplies, they're no good to you. So we do free classes on earthquakes, fires, floods, power outages, all the different disasters that people would face in Southern California.
No excuse not to be prepared. In Van Nuys, Gail Anderson, KTLA 5 News.
Big question is, when do we have to be prepared again?